What is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is an early SB Dunk Low review. I was super excited to bring y'all this and what we got in today's video, man. As you guys can see, we got the Nike SB Dunk Low Krampus. Keep in mind, these are coming soon, I believe in October, if I'm correct. As you guys can see, a bit of a Halloween theme, you know what I'm saying? Some darker vibes to them, and we're going to get into the sneaker review in it early and show y'all, well, everything that does come with the Krampus Dunk Low. Also got some extra laces. Cannot go wrong with that. An all black pair right there, I believe. As you guys can see, all black. Also have an all black pair right there. So kind of just matches what's already on the sneaker. But let's get into it. If you guys do want more early SB Dunk Low content like this, then go ahead. Feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, let's just try to hit 300 likes on this video. That is the normal goal that we always shoot for. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them down below. Again, this pair is sick in hand. Definitely can say that. So we're going to get into showing y'all some details up close. And feel free to, again, check out the Whatnot Lives down below. Don't forget, we go live almost every single day there. You guys actually saw me preview these yesterday during the SB Dunk Low giveaway. Or not SB Dunk Low, SB4 giveaway. So I appreciate everyone who tuned in there during that. I know some people got some crazy steals during that stream. But at least, hey, it ended up going pretty good because we just kept going live and, kept it going. So I appreciate everyone who stuck there with me. And whoever won the free SB4, congratulations. But let's get into this pair right here. Everything else is down below. Subscribe, like, my Instagrams, all that. It's in the pinned comment. Feel free to check it. And let's get started, well, on the Krampus SB Dunk Low early review. So taking a look at this pair right here and what we got with it early. So right off the bat, I'm going to show all the look. As you guys can see, kind of on the outside of the sneaker. So this kind of looks like, again, keep in mind, like some magma, right? That's kind of like peeking through the surface, you know what I mean? Or some lava, like when it's kind of like breaking through the surface, you know what I mean? Like here, I'll put a photo, like, you know, like a volcano, right? Has like lava that's like almost breaking through the surface. It kind of looks like this, you know what I mean? So that's the look that we have on the outside of the sneaker. It is on both of them, keep in mind. This is the look that is on the outside of both the sneakers. Now, you take a look, the tongue tag almost reminds me of like a dungeon almost. You look at what we got right here. As you can see, kind of like a black, I want to say like a checkered look, but it's like, you know, just like a lot of black squares. You see what I'm saying? And they're all put together right there. So that actually looks pretty nice. Seems pretty comfy. It's a puffy tongue tag as well, so keep that in mind. We also got some unique insoles on these. I will show those to you all in a sec. But here's one detail on the inside of this insole. As you guys can see what it says right there. Hopefully that is focusing for me. But as you guys can see, that says right there, it says not surprised. So take a look at that right there. It says not surprised. Then you go on the inside of this one right here and see what this one says as well. This one says not surprised as well. So both of them say the same detail on the inside. Not surprised and not surprised. Then on the outside of both of them, as you guys can see, taking a look right here, it says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. So sometimes they'll change it up and put like Nike SB and then, you know, whoever they're collaborating with or whoever the sneaker's based off, you know what I'm saying, on the outside of the sneaker. But on this one, they're just putting Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. So that's what we got on the tongue tags. Pretty simple look. And then again, just take a look at these all around, man. Of course, the toe box right there. These go crazy. Like, look at that, man. Toe box goes absolutely nuts. So I'm a huge fan of this pair. Definitely think this is one that will have some potential to do very well. Could see it being like a $200 or $300 sneaker for sure. And again, you can see some of the other details we got right there. There's the other outside of the sneaker. And taking a look to the heel right here of the shoe, you guys can see that orange embroidered look. Look at that. That is on the heel of both of them. Let me get it a little bit more straight right here. But yeah, y'all can see what we got right there. Orange embroidered look right there on the heel. Of course, the extra laces, as I showed you guys right there. Extra laces. And then everything we got right here, the bottom look on the soles. Y'all can see that kind of red look that is peeking through, more like a burgundy. This look of the soles right here reminds me of the Burgundy Crush SBs. Go check the Burgundy Crush SBs. Literally the exact same soles right here. So this reminds me of that. When I took a look at these, I was like, oh my gosh, it's literally the Burgundy Crush soles. That's crazy. But nice GR pair, in case you're wondering. But aside from that, that's really what we got with this SB Dunk Low. I'm going to show you all the insoles right now as well, because keep in mind, these have a lot of detail. So I've only shown y'all probably a little bit of the sneaker right now. So let me just show y'all the insoles. We'll get into showing y'all each of these, because I believe they're both different. Let me double check this. I think they're both different. Yeah, each one's unique. So I'm going to take each one out and show it to you guys right now, because it's actually a pretty cool detail right here. So as you guys can see, the insole of the right sneaker right here. Take a look at this. You guys can see we got Krampus right there on the heel. What's up, Krampus? He's chilling. And you guys can see, of course, the insole look right there. This goes absolutely crazy. Almost like reminds me of like a garden or something. And then you guys can see the back of the insole right there. Another little hidden detail, you know what I'm saying? All the Krampus SBs. A little unreleased detail right there. As you guys can see what we got on the heel. So a little hidden something right there. I actually don't even know what that is. Can someone tell me what this is, please? Let me know. But hey, that's a little detail again representing the collaboration that is on the back of the heel of one of the insoles, as you guys can see. And then, boom, Krampus right there. Everything else we got. So that was pretty cool. Let me show all the other one as well, because we got 2 insoles. Don't forget, of course, with every shoe. And of course, you guys can see this insole as well. The same look as the last one right there. Again, no Krampus on this one, but has that kind of same crazy look. Again, kind of that orange, black, and yeah, kind of like a white look almost. It all blends together though really, really well. You guys can see it says Nike SB, then Zoom Air. And you take a look at another insole. Look at these. This one also has a unique detail right there. Look at that. It almost is like a scroll, which I thought that was pretty crazy that this one has like a look right there. Let me get that to focus a bit more, but hopefully y'all can read that at least a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You got a scroll right there with some details on it. I'm gonna read it right now. You can see it says Naughty List, and it says Sharon, I think it says Shinji, Gary, and Johnny. So it has some names right there. I'm assuming that probably has to do with some characters from the book or the show. Again, not super educated on Krampus, so someone has to please let me know a little bit more. If not, I'll check it myself tonight. But that's another unique detail we got on the insoles. Both of them have something right there. Sorry that I was talking out there too. My cat, for some reason, whenever I'm recording videos, she likes to go to the bathroom at the same time. So like her litter box is right there, and bro, it's like so loud. Like she'll literally like dig to the bottom of it, like it's like a sandbox. But you know what I'm saying? It's no big deal because it's just my kitty. But yeah, I thought that was pretty funny. So aside from that, those are the details that we got on the unique insoles right there. I thought that was pretty cool. Each one has its own uniqueness to it and its own little hidden detail. So that's something cool. Each insole has something to it. And then, of course, just a look on the outside of the sneaker. These go absolutely crazy, man. You cannot go wrong with the Krampus SBs. These are going to be dropping, I believe, in October. Keep in mind, I'll put some official release details on the screen real quick. But this is a crazy pair, man. I love the look that we got. And this is definitely kind of, you know, spooky vibes pair. I could definitely see this being one that people come around to, you know what I'm saying, around October each year. Just because, again, the look that we have on it definitely fits that Halloween or spooky vibe. So really, really nice shoe right here. The Krampus SBs coming very, very soon. The soles, again, the outside of the sneaker, the look by the heel right here as well. Take a look at that. I'm gonna let it focus again, if it will. Hold up, we'll get it to focus right here. But yeah, you guys can see the heels as well. Super, super nice. Again, has that magma look. And then also, you guys can maybe even see around kind of like the padding by like the heel of the sneaker here. You can see it kind of has like that worn, kind of like aged look to it. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like a, I don't know how to put it, just like something almost like a, how to put this, like something like a haunted mansion. You know what I'm saying? So I thought that was pretty cool as well. I got kind of like that worn or kind of like faded out gray look going around the ankle of the sneaker. Hopefully y'all can again see that a little bit. Maybe let me know if I'm wrong, but yeah, you can see it a little bit maybe right there. So I thought that was pretty cool. Again, Krampus SBs coming soon. I want to do some B-roll shots for these up close again to show you guys what they look like without me talking over them. So why don't we do that right now, and we'll do the outro. So let's do some B-roll shots, show y'all again what these look like up close with some good lighting on them, and we'll let this focus right here. There you go, the Krampus SB coming soon. Let's get into these B-roll shots, man, because, well, these go absolutely crazy right here, and this is definitely one of those pairs that be ready for. That's what I'll say. So let's do the B-roll shots. guys, I hope y'all did enjoy today's video. Shout out Luna. Here's a little photo of her, of course. Gotta, show some love to the kitty. So I appreciate everyone that leaves kind of comments about her, you know what I mean? And yeah, she sees it, you know what I mean? But that's really what I can say again about the Krampus SB Dunk Low coming soon. As you guys can see, this pair in hand goes absolutely crazy. Definitely one of those ones that even if it's not doing it justice on the video right now, trust me, when you get these in hand, you will like them. It's a crazy shoe. You can feel, you know what I'm saying, kind of like the scaly look right here. Like it's just well done and it looks cool. And it's dropping out in October too, so I feel like, it's really, really good timing with this sneaker. So that's how I feel about the Krampus SBs. If y'all want more content like this, and go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below, and stay tuned on the channel, man. We got 2 other early SB Dunk Low reviews coming this week, so do not miss out on that, man. We got some other stuff coming for you guys, for any of my SB heads. And make sure y'all check out the Whatnot lives down below. If you ever want to see these on the live or anything like that, I got you guys. Just, hey, come join, say, yo, Tristan, can you show me the Krampus SBs or something like that? And I got you, bro. I can show you them, no problem. Feel free to come shop with us. Check out some of the stuff we got for sale. Tons of tees. We have kicks for sale as well. What else? Lots of Supreme accessories. So if you're really into any of that, make sure y'all check out the streams, save them, bookmark them, and of course we do giveaways every single stream, free shoes or SB4s, and we'll be giving away a free pair of SB Dunk Lows this weekend, something like that. So make sure y'all just stay tuned. Always a little fun stuff for you guys to keep y'all entertained. Excuse me, I need to get some water. Yeah, we're back now, and that's what I can say about, again, the Krampus SB Dunk Low early. Let me know what's your favorite part about this sneaker if you have one. If not, no worries. Just let me know if this is one you're going to be going for. For me, yeah, Nike did a good job with these. I like them. It's not focusing sometimes, but there you go. A little bit. See that look? Oh my gosh, such a crazy shoe. I really like what they did. So for me, it's a cop, and that's really what I can say again about the Krampus SB Dunk Low early. Let me know if you're gonna be going for these. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. My IGs, all that. Again, they're down below in the pinned comment. Don't want to blow you guys up about it. Just check it there if you want. And yeah, I'm T. Thank you guys. I will catch you on the next video tomorrow, and let me know if you're copping. I'll see you on the next one then. More early SB Dunk Low videos coming this week. So if you're into that, stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one tomorrow. And if you want to see some pics of these, coming on my IG this week too, so don't miss that. Alright, see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.